Right guys, I'm back for another session on the slots this week. I'm going to start on Ding Dong Bells, 50p play, 40 quid in as usual. Turn it down a bit, it's blaring. Yeah, hope you're all well. There's your win values on 50p stake. And let's see what happens today. Yeah, 40 quid in. This is the first session I've made. Go on. It's alright. Yeah, this is the first session I've made since getting back from Bognor. So let's see how this goes. Cracking start though. Nice quick 20 quid. Yeah, it's the 9th of April today, Tuesday the 9th. So this will probably go out, don't know, mid-May, who knows. But yeah, let's see how we go. Good start though. Be nice to see a feature or something on it. Yeah, I'll start the communities, maybe go for the blueprints behind me. Don't know, no plans really. Just see what happens. I made a little session earlier on my slots indoors actually. I don't know when I'll put that up. Again, probably mid-May-ish. Might tally up with this one on a Sunday. Come on, just the one. Okay, 3 quid, don't mind that. Bonus 60p. Reasonable. Yeah, I'll play off a couple more, then I'll cut back to the next set of lights. Yeah, hopefully we can get the bells. Well, I'll bring you back if and when. Gone a bit quiet to be fair, back down at 41 quid. Have another set of lights for a little while now to be fair. Gonna crack on though. So back level. After that quick 20 quid start. Yeah, it seems pretty quiet now to be fair. May play it for another couple of sets of lights, a couple of chances, and then just move on to something else. Would be nice to see a feature, but just bastard. That'd have been 25 quid. I'll keep with you with this 11 credits. Might give it another tenner's worth and then just bail out. Come on, Ding Dong Bells, where are you? Yeah, see what I mean? It's gone really quiet. Ah, shit. It's a fiver at least. Take a bonus spin. Nah. Right, I'll crack on a bit, set it off again, and bring you back. Oh, tight. Next set of lights, come on, bastard. 2 picks though. 750. Again, no bonus spin. Keeps the balance going, I guess. Yeah, I'm on my own today, no John. Bastard, had to been 50 quid. Yeah, I'm on my own at the moment. He might pop in, who knows. He normally lives here, so. Well, I'll bring you back. Any chance? Yeah, we got it. Down at 24 quid in the bank. So we're 15 quid in. Here we go. Come on. Half decent, please. Where were you? Come on, ding dong bells, don't take the piss. Wow, honestly. Oh, that's better. That's reasonable. Take that. 22 quid. Still got 2 more spins after this as well. Come on. Any more for any more? Go on, bastard. Alright, little consolation, 3 quid on the end. That ain't bad. Yeah, at least we saw a board on it. 25 quid, I'll take that. Nice, right, 50 quid in the bank. I'll give it 10 for luck and then move on. Sometimes you get a bit of afters. Oh, honestly. Yeah, at least we saw a board on it. Yeah, last couple. Right, I'll bring you back on the next game. I'm going to start on this. Reel them in now. 44.90 starting balance. There's your pots right up there. So nothing special really. Might give this a little go for a couple of chests. So you've got 2 bonuses on this. There's your win values. Yeah, this can be a good game. It can give just 1 pick for nothing though on the lights, which is pretty shit. 2. Oh, okay. First chest. Middle for diddle. Ah, money. Yeah, so pot can come out of there or prize catch or whatever. Keep it there for these 4 and then I'll cut back. I'll set off again and bring you back next time the chest lands. Chest number 2, down at 26, in the bank. Really? Big pound. 2 picks there again, would have been 40 quid. Like I say, that can do 1 for nothing. Yeah, down at 26 quid, so not doing a great deal at the moment. Okay, number 3, 3rd time lucky. Yeah, okay, got the pot, wow. All right, we're guaranteed £19.42 at least. Come on, gold, dare you. Oh yeah, get in there, you beauty. Wow, what a result. Left is always best. Come on. For Nathan, as always. Bastard. No, I'll take that all day long. 100 quid, I ain't greedy. Right, result. Up to 123 in the bank. 2? Oh, okay. Wow. All right. Really? Prize catch straight after. Next press express. Okay. Yeah, so he collects the fish. I'll stand back so you can see it. Big amount to start with. Nah, Might be 15, 20 quid that area. It's all bonus money though. You need it to be like 13, 15, 17 quid. Okay, here's a tenner. Don't think it will stop there. It's not that tight, I don't think. Yeah. 15 may stop there, but still 15 quid in it. Yeah, all right, I'll take that. Next Press Express and all that. 15 sheets. Right, yeah, like I said, I'll give it 10 for luck. See if we get anything else. Lovely balance though. Only 40 quid in. Yeah, after this one I'll move on to another game. Go on. Okay. Wow. Chests galore. Ah, money. 5 though. Right, last couple. Right, I'll bring you back on the next game. Lovely result. Right, I'm over on Black Knight. 50p stake again. 2. Ah. Couldn't have been a feature because I got 20p on. Yeah, I'll give this a little spin for a bit, see if we can get a board. Yeah, it's a nice little hit on Reel 'em In. See if we can get a board on this. Come on. Just the one. Yeah, I'll keep you there for that 12. Big pound. Yeah, shout out to Nathan and Chess Gaming. Shout out to JD Slots. Thank you very much, as always. Go and check out their channels. JD Slots, I'm sure most of you know. Nathan and Chess Gaming is a new and upcoming channel. So go and check his videos out, please. Would love your support, I'm sure. Does a bit of online stuff. A few videos in arcades as well, recently. Anyway, I'll keep you there for these last couple and then I'll bring you back. Right, I'll see you in a sec. Next set, come on. Ah, 2. Tenner. These communities ain't playing too bad at the moment, touch wood. Go on. Okay, 14.50. You also go and check out COB slots, COB slots, and Crazy Reels as well, and also Realistic Slots. Go and check them out. They're all good creators. I'll leave a link to all these channels in the description, and obviously DJ X Tech as well. Go and check him out. He must be getting close to his 1,000 subs. Yeah, all decent channels. Right, I'll set off again and bring you back. Bring you back in there. End's doing a great deal at the moment. Down at 128 in the bank, so it's only had about 10-15 quid to be fair to it. Lights have got a bit quiet until I spoke. Just the one. £3. Yeah, I suppose it's holding the balance. Okay, that's handy. Yeah, it'd be nice to see a feature on it. Still only 40 quid in, obviously. Excuse me. Oh, I'll start it off again. Come on. Right, I'll bring you back. Come on. Yeah. There we go. About a pound after I cut you off, that was. How'd you feel, machine? Come on. Bang, bang, bang. Nah. Looks pretty shit to me. At least it hasn't gobbled much of the balance, though, to be fair to it. Won him. Land it? Okay, that's handy. 25 notes. One more spin. That'll do. It's alright. 32.5. Take that. I will take that. That is acceptable to me. Like I said, it's cost about 12 quid maybe, 15 quid. Nice, up to 163. 10 goes for luck and I'll move on. Oh, well, oh, that's handy. It's alright, it's a tenner. Yeah, I'll play out these 8 goes with you, then bring you back to something else. I might go over to the blueprint behind me, have a little bash on that. Come on. Really? God, get in. Honestly. Black Knight never fails to amaze. I thought it'd be too good to be true. Still, it's all bonus money. One in. Big 4 quid. Wow. I can't grumble. I cannot grumble at all. Well, I'll start that 10 off again. I may bring you back to the blueprint behind me, have a little bash on that for a little while. May stay on this, I don't know, to be fair. I'll have a little think. Nice profit at the moment though. Final couple. Right, last spin. I'll bring you back on the next game. Why not?
Welcome to Heidi. Let's have some fun.
For DJ, Christina and Cornwall. Silver's not bad on 25p. That's 50p. Might as well play on that stake. 25p. Let's give it a little bash. I may stick a couple of quid in that one. See if I can get them up together, perhaps. Yeah, I may well do that, actually. Right, I'll stop this and bring you back when I've got them both going. Right, I've started off that one next to me as well. 25p stake. There's your pots on that. Nothing much up there, really. See if we can get them both up. I've put 40 quid in this one. Let's move this chair. Yeah, 40 in here. Obviously I've got the 164 in there, so I'm in for 80 total. Let's see if we can get a feature on them both. No set of lights on either yet. Just the one. Bastard. Yeah, I'll play them both for a bit, see how we do, and I'll bring you back if anything happens. Unless it happens right now. Nah. Lights down there as well. Hats. £6 of hats. Nothing on either on the bonus spin. Come on. Nah. Yeah, I know DJ loves this game, so double Heidi for you, mate. I'll play at this 7 on air and then I'll bring you back. Hopefully getting both up. Come on. £4. Big £4 down there. At least they're lighting. Right, I'll set it off again and I will bring you back if and when. See you in a sec. Go on. Ah, you bastard. That's still going. £3. Bonus spin. Alright, take it. Puts us up briefly on this one. That one's down at 158. No sign of a feature yet. Any chance? Get in, get in. Beautiful. Didn't take long. That's cost £1. Don't know where to stand to get them both in. That'll do. Pots on both. Okay, we're guaranteed £22. I'll do them one at a time. Ah, you bastard. £9.50 on there. Come on, give us that £100. Yes. Get in. Get in. Wow. Don't know if I've ever had that on this. Get in. Get in. Wow, what a cracking session this is turning into. What a result. Wow, up to 256 in there. Get in. Oh yeah. Surely. Ah, imagine. Right, I'll set them off again for 20 each. Unbelievable. 255 in there, £48 in there. What a result, honestly. Gonna say, honestly. £3. It's better that way. Bonus spin. Alright, that'll do. Nice. Lights on there as well. 2. Just the one. Nice little 20 quid bonus on this one. Yeah, 254 in there, 66 quid in there, in for 80 quid total. Yeah, I'll play out these last few on these. I'll bring you back to something else. Give it one for luck on here. Maybe a couple. I've got 5 goes on there still, so. One for luck. Right, 250 in there. Hang on, just in case. Nah. Bonus 10p. Right, 63 quid in there. I'll come out of there. Auf Wiedersehen Schnitzel. And 250 in there. Right, I'll bring you back on the next game. What a result. Right, I've come over to the blueprint. I've put the 63 quid ticket in. I've got the 250 in my pocket. I'm going to start on this. JD was looking for it the other week. This cash link game. I think this is the one he was on about. 50p stake, there's your win values. Let's go. Try this for a bit. I'll try a few of them. Might play it for him to scratch his nuts and come out of his shell. I ain't gonna bother with that shitty bloody that. That took the piss last time. Yeah, I'll play it for a couple of teases if he comes out. See how it goes. But yeah, like I said, I've got the 250 in my pocket and the 66 from the other machine is in here. So I'm in for 80 total on the session. Come on. Okay, banana gun, whatever it is. Wow. Don't hurt yourself, machine. Don't know if I can be arsed with this actually. I'm not going to play that spins thing. Yeah, actually, I think I will. Nah, you can do one. Let's go over to that golden spins. Have a little bash on that for a bit. See if we can get a set of spins on golden spins. Right, 50p. Let's go. So you need these in on a win line. Good start, 250. I'll keep you there for a few spins to begin with. It pays like left to right and right to left as well, this does. Oh wow, wow. Get in. It's a spin. Thought it's going to do the whole lot for a moment. I'll keep you there for these 11. Yeah, I'll play it for a set of spins, I think, at least. That was a cracking little spin on the bars. Just fell off, I saw them. Right, I'll set off again and bring you back. Yeah, it's gone a bit quiet now, to be fair, since that 24 quid. I'm going to set it off again for another 20 and then bail out. I'll keep you there for the 20. I'll go over to the other version of this, whatever it's called, Mega Bars Golden Wheel. Come on, let's get the spins in these 16. Ain't done a win, I don't think, since that 24 quid. There you go, 50p, moaned it in. Bastard. Yeah, sometimes I find it's quite hard to land the spins on these, to be fair. Someone's got a cold down there, fantastic. How's that not a win? Right, last couple. Well, that'll do on that. Cannot grumble. Menu. Let's go to that mega bars thing down here somewhere. So yeah, 66 quid in this one at the moment. I think it was the ticket. Anytime you fancy. Right. Oh wow. Hope that wasn't the last spin. I'll give it a go anyway. So yeah, same concept on this, but you've got the wheel as well. Bonus, 3 of them in view. Give it a little go for a bit, see what happens. I'll keep you there for this 14. Yeah, same concept, like I say, 3 spins gives you 3 spins, and it's just about as hard to land as the other one. Go on. Nah. Well, I'll start it off again and bring you back if and when something lands. Wow, very next spin. There you go. Got 7 spins. Massive wins here. Big 2 quid so far. Need the bars in. Doubled the balance. At least it didn't take the piss to come in, I suppose, to be fair to it. That's better. Take another spin like that, please. It's alright, I'll take that. 14.50. It's only cost a couple of quid. Well, I'll sell at least 16 with you. I'll go over to, might go over to Fishing Frenzy to finish up, because I haven't had a feature on that in ages. Yeah, I can't grumble with that. Spins didn't take long to land, to be fair. It's alright, 3 quid. Right, final 5 on this. Last spin. Right, I'll bring you back to potentially the final game of the session. Right, last game of the session is going to be big catch. 49.90 in the terminal. Hopefully we'll get a bonus on this. I haven't had a bonus on it in quite some time, I don't think. There's your win values on 50p. Go on. Oh mate, honestly. It's been a cracking session. I might go over to one more game considering it landed so soon. Well, it depends how shit this is, to be fair, actually. May stay on this. Any chance of a scatter? The whole point of the feature? Really? Really? Wow. Thanks. Looks like we're staying for another one. It's a shame. Go on. Oh, imagine. Better than the feature. Yeah, I'll give this a little bit longer. I may go over and play Horus as one final game. I'll play at least 13 with you and see how I feel. Oh, it's a quality song in the background. Don't know if you can hear it. Go on. Bastard. Right, I'll bring you back if it lands. See you in a sec. Right, I'm going to play out these final 8 and bring you back to one final game. Come on. Nah. Giving it enough chances. I'll go and play Horus to finish up. Final couple on this. What a shit feature it was. Right, final spin. Right, let's go over to Horus. There it is. Yeah, final game of the session this will be. 50p. See if we can add a bonus on this. Honestly, couldn't write it, could you? £1.50 in. Come on. Don't be as shit as Fishing Frenzy. Are you for real? I think these games have forgotten what the concept of a feature is. Huh, alright. Consolation. Up to the blue thing. Final spin. Nah, it's pretty shit to be honest, all in all. Right, I'll play out these 16 and say my goodbyes. Yeah, I hope you've all enjoyed the session. I've got 250 in my pocket, plus about 35, so I'm going to be about 200 quid up on the day. Cannot grumble with that at all. Go on. Ah. Mega tease. Oh, it just fell off. Yeah, 200 quid up on the session. I can't grumble with that. Couple of kings. Yeah, I hope you've all enjoyed it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to check out those channels I mentioned. I've left links in the description. And I hope you all have a fantastic week ahead. Yeah, that'll do. 285. Cheers for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.